What's up guys, it's BloxsDevs back here for another video, and in this video I will be talking about how you can actually earn money with your Roblox game. So before starting this video, huge thanks to Gamer8 because we've become actually YouTube friends, and you can go check him out. He does awesome tutorials as well. Right before starting as well, go over and donate down below. Some people said they were going to donate and it's coming soon. That's awesome. And as well, you can donate because like it's going to help me making more videos as well and getting better materials because right now my computer isn't really the best. So you can go over and help me, link in the description to donate some money. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to earn money with your Roblox games. Okay, so if you don't know what is a Roblox game, it is a game you can make in the Roblox platform. And if you're completely new to that, you probably know Roblox and probably played it. And if you don't, you literally have a link down below to Roblox. Okay, so you probably most of you probably here actually know about Roblox and Roblox Studio, and we'll be showing you how to earn money with your Roblox games and I will be showing you every single detail to go through to actually start actually making money with your Roblox games. Okay. So the first thing that you actually have to have is a game. Okay, so that's what you need to have. Okay, of course. So if you don't know how to make a game, you can simply go check out my other videos, and of course the game is the first thing uh, you have to have. I guess have to know how to do. Okay, so as well, you guys are requesting some scripting tutorials, and they're going to be coming up soon in the next weeks, and I'm gonna try to explain to you everything. I'm trying to set them up right now. So it is pretty hard to make to do all that stuff, but I guess it is coming soon. Okay, so the first thing is like how can I make money with my games? Okay, so Roblox doesn't directly pay developers to create games. So if you create a game, you can't just get paid like that by Roblox. So they earn money whenever players make virtual purchases. So whenever players buy a Game Pass in your game with Robux. So players purchase items within the game with a virtual currency called Robux. And the developers behind those games can exchange that currency for real money through Roblox. So whenever you get 100,000 Robux, you can actually DevX, and you need premium to DevX. So I'm not at that stage yet, but I'm actually making a game with my brother Grayu, and it is awesome, honestly. And it is really unique kind of simulator, and I think it's gonna get some people playing, and maybe I'm gonna be able to DevX for the first time with my brother. Okay, so can I earn a lot of money from making my Roblox games? So players pay in the community's currency Robux, which Roblox then converts into for real cash via the the developer exchange program. Of the 56 million total Roblox player, 1.7 million are creators. Okay, so not a lot of people are creators out of the 656 millions. Wow, it's a lot of players, but it's not that much creators. Okay, so this is actually there are probably even more players now. This is just an estimate of how much players and how much developers there are. Okay, so each of them can technically earn up to $1 million per month. So this is a huge amount of money. Like if you're really thinking of $1 million per month, that means you're gonna be earning $12 million per year, which is which is incredible. Like not a lot of people can earn that. It's really rare, and Roblox developers can earn a lot of money if their game are good. They can even earn up to 2 million, 3 million per month if they have a good game. So if you want to know how much games actually earned by from their game passes, you can go over and check out my other video and my channel on how much game developers make, which I show in it how much Bloxburg made, how much Adopt Me make, and how much Ninja Legends and some other games made. So they actually made a huge amount of money. Okay, so this video is basically to inform you guys that you can actually start making money as a kid and as a teen, and it doesn't matter really your age. All you need to know is how to script and uh, how to make Roblox games, and you're gonna be able to make to make Robux and to DevX. Okay, so as well, a lot of people are sending me friend requests. Okay, so I have over 1,000 friend requests. So yes, I can't accept them all. All right, like guys, like I've already accepted some of my fans. It was really an exception because they were the first fans. So if you're trying to send me your friend request, sure you can, but not all of you are going to be able to be my friends, obviously. So just informing that uh, I'm not like trying to like not be friends with you or anything. Like most of you guys are awesome, and I actually want to be your friends, but of course there's a limit to Roblox friends. If there wasn't any limits to Roblox friends, like I would have all you guys as friends. So this is pretty much it for this video, and as well remember to donate if you can, and as well remember to go over and check out Gamer and Mate. He has awesome content, and we are pretty much Whitey friends now. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and I guess I'll see you in the next time where I'm going to be explaining some other stuff about Roblox. So I guess bye bye.